When the harm is in WhatsApp-style sharing, victims can still hit the "we can't see content" wall, because the legal trigger that forces system-level suppression in one private messaging is not as direct or as operational as in Australia's model. Like what happened to me. I had to go away and try and find somebody with the image, then ask them to identify the person who gave it to them, then ask to identify the person that gave it to them. And the onus is put on the victim to do that. And then the guards go to the person and plead with them and go back and go back. So there's a problem in that this is allowed to go on so long that it then becomes a media story. And I'm in the middle of a media storm while I'm trying to campaign for election in my own personal case. Then it becomes the front page of a newspaper, Gráinne's AI porn hell, which is also re-traumatizing. So because the regulation and the legislation here doesn't react rapidly enough, the thing goes on and on and on. You're re-traumatized every day. Every man you meet, you're wondering, have you seen this image of me? You're afraid to go into a shop and do your shopping. I shopped for months after the election with a surgical mask. Can I just finish this? Because I know there are other women out here like that, having experienced this. You're so afraid to be seen in public that you disguise yourself. You make yourself small because of what is happening. The legislation needs to move fast. Regulators need to move fast. This needs to be stopped and people need to be prosecuted.